You tucked me in, turned out the light, kept me safe and sound at night. Little girls depend on things like that. Brushed my teeth and combed my hair, had to drive me everywhere. You were always there when I looked back. You had to do it all alone, make a living, make a home. It must have been as hard as it could have been. And when I couldn't sleep at night, scared things wouldn't turn out right, you would hold my hand and sing to me. Caterpillar in the tree, how you wonder who you'll be. Can't go far but you can always dream. Wish you may and wish you might, don't you worry, hold on tight. I promise you there will come a day. Butterfly, fly away. Butterfly, fly away. Butterfly, fly away. Got your wings, now you can't stay. Take those dreams and make them all come true. Butterfly, fly away. Butterfly, fly away. We've been waiting for this day all along, you know just what to do. Butterfly, 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 fly away.
Kaya lang po lahat ng mga bisita namin for today, inaayahan ko po bumalik sa kanilang mga upuan. Kaya naman sa mga kids dito, pag bilang ko na tatlo dapat, nasa upuan na kayo. Okay, one. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. And welcome here at Chowking Plaza Leon Tondo as we celebrate Reyes Lano Union and at the same time yung Christmas party natin. At syempre, isang malakas na palakpakan po para sa ating lahat. Ayan. At syempre, artist na naman po, nais ko po tawagan sa aking harapan kahit nasa harapan. Ang napakaganda at ang napakasexy mo lang iba, kundi si Tita Ellie! Para po sa ating opening prayer naman, inanayahan ko po ang lahat ng magsitayo para po sa ating opening prayer.
An opening prayer. God our Father, loving and merciful, bring together and keep our families in perfect unity of love and mutual support. Infuse in each other member the spirit of understanding, forbearance, and affection for each other. Keep quarrels, bitterness, and pettiness far from us, and from the occasional failures, instill forgiveness and peace. May the mutual love and affection of our parents be a source of loving obedience and discipline. May the chastity and fidelity and inspiration for our children. We also pray for those who have departed, those who have departed. Lord, in your mercy, welcome them into your kingdom. Amen.
Okay, sa ating time, gusto ko pa lahat ng mga bisita, wala po muna ang upo. Gusto ko pa lahat ng mga bisita namin for today, lahat nakatayo pa. Tayo po talaga kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng warm-up game. Kasi napansin ko po kanina na para ang mga bisita namin ay parang malungkot, inaantok at walang gana para sa games natin mamaya. Kaya naman, tayo po ulit tayo lahat. Tayo pa. Ang kailangan po natin gawin, gagayahin namin po natin si Miss Ambrola. Ayun. Ayan. Ang kailangan po natin gawin ay itataas po natin ating dalawang kamay. Hanap na sa kanila. Taas po natin dalawang kamay. Ayan. Then, all you have to do is raise your hands. Kaya naman, mag-shake lang po tayo. Go! Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. And hands on the side. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. And finally, your hands in front. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, kaya naman, pwede na tayo po lahat.
Nakita namin yung mga video na ginawa ni Emily. She worked so hard on this video. Yun yung para magkakilala lahat. 25 years na ako wala dito, so yung iba talaga hindi ko nakilala. Ngayon ko lang na-meet in person. Yung iba by Facebook, YM, doon ko lang sila nakilala. Ayan ako! Alright!
Ayan, thank you for that, ma'am. Kaya naman,